morning, class 10. In our last class, okay, I have explained about GST, okay, types of GST, what type of GST is applicable in interstate and intrastate, okay, and you have done two questions, question number 1 and 2 also. So from today, okay, we will start question number 3. Today we'll start from question number 3. Here question is, a computer mechanic in Delhi charges repairing cost from 5 different persons A, B, C, D and E with certain discounts. The repairing cost and the corresponding discounts are as given below. So here table is given, okay. So mechanic in Delhi is charging repairing cost, okay, and there are 5 persons A, B, C, D, E, okay. So name of the person A is repairing cost is repairing of some devices, okay, electrical device or anything. Cost is 5,500 and that mechanic is giving discount of 30% to that person A. Then for B, okay, charge is 6,250 and he is getting discount of 40%. And C is getting 4,800. His charge is 4,800 repairing cost, but he is getting discount of 30%. Similarly, D 7,200 discount of 20%. E 3,500 discount of 40. So you have to find the total money received by the mechanic. Okay, the total income of that mechanic. So first we need to make table here. Okay. So first name of the person A, repairing cost 5,500. So discount is given 30%. So he will get discount on this repairing cost. So 30% of 5,500. Okay, calculate this. You will get 1,650. So after getting discount of 1,650, how much he will pay? Discounted value will be repairing cost minus discount. You have to subtract this discount, no? So this is 3,850. This is the discounted value, okay. After getting discount, he has to pay this much money. Then B, this is the repairing cost. He is getting discount of 40%, which is 2,500. So find here discounted price, repairing cost minus discount. Similarly for C, D and E. Okay, you can calculate this. Here you will find total. Okay, to find total you have to add this. Okay, discounted price of 5%, you will get 18,820. But here that mechanic will charge GST also. Okay, and here it is Delhi. Only Delhi is mentioned. That means it is intrastate. Only one place is mentioned, Delhi. So this is intrastate, and in intrastate CGST and SGST are applicable. So CGST will be half of 18, that is 9%. 9% of 18,320, which is 1,693.80. This is CGST, and we know CGST and SGST will be same. This is also 1,693.80. Now we have to find total money received by that mechanic. So to find total money, you have to add this total plus CGST plus SGST. So this is the total money received by that mechanic. Now next is question number 4. Here is the question, okay. Find the amount of bill for the following intrastate transaction of goods services. The GST rate is 5%. So here quantity is 18. So 18 items. So cost of one item is 150 and the discount is 10%. So there are 18 items. One items cost rupees 150, discount 10. Similarly, next 24 items, MRP of each item is 240 and the discount is 20. Next is 30 items, MRP 100, discount 30%. Next 12, MRP 120 and the discount is 20%. So here we have to make table. Okay, so I made like this. We have to make 5 columns. First for quantity, MRP, discount, then discounted value. But we have to find total also, no, because there are 18 items. Means your quantity is not 1. Quantity are more than 1. So we have to make here total also. In total, we have to multiply by this quantity. So these 3 tables are already given in question. Here we need to calculate, okay, discount 10 by 100 into 150. So you'll get rupees 50. So rupees 15 you have to subtract from 150, no? So here after getting discount, the value will become 135. So how many items are there? 18. So you have to find total cost of 18 items. So 135 into 18. So similarly you have to do for other items also. Okay, then you will get your calculation is done. Now you have to find total. Add these four value, you will get 10,290. So this is the total. Okay, but here GST is applicable, but here it is given interstate. So in interstate IGST is applicable. Okay, so you will have to use IGST, which is 5%. So here IGST is 5% of 10,290. So you calculate this, you will get 514.50. So amount of bill will be total plus IGST, which is 10,804.50. Now I will start from question number 12. Word problem, okay? Question number 12. The tax invoice of a telecom service in Meerut shows cost of services provided by it as rupees 750. So this is the cost of service. If the GST rate is 18%, find the amount of the bill. So first you have to find out here whether it is interstate or intrastate. So this is in Meerut. So only one place is mentioned, that is this is intrastate. Okay, intrastate. Cost is 750. So in intrastate, two GST are applicable, two types of GST, CGST and SGST. So CGST will be half of 18, that is 9%, 9% of 750, which is rupees 67.50. If CGST is this much, SGST will be equal, rupees 67.50. Now we have to find amount of bill. To find amount of bill, you have to add this 750 plus CGST plus SGST, which is 885.